Hey, something has changed in Excel that is very frustrating, and I want to show you the workaround because it's not very easy to find. And somebody shared that on LinkedIn with me, so I wanted to do a video about it. So now, when you open Excel and open Copilot, if you click on Copilot, if you want to, for example, if I want to highlight in this column everything that has a certain value, so if I say highlight the cells of the issue category column in red when it, it is, let's say, communication. Before, when I was doing that, it was offering a formula and it was offering to apply it to my column. Now it's really a Copilot chat, so it looks at the entire cell and tell me how to do it. This is not what I want. I want it to do it just like before. It was super cool. And I struggle, like I said, why is this not working? And in fact, there's a little arrow here, and you look at this arrow, you have chat and app skills. So when you want Excel to do something, you need to switch to app skills, which is crazy to me. And I'm gonna try the same thing. Highlight the cells in the issue category column in red when the value is communication. So let's see if it works better. So now they split it in two different windows. One is general, and one is when you want Copilot to do something. And here it is. If I apply it, it works like before, like a charm. Isn't that stupid that they split everything in two? I think, now I know I won't be lost, but I guess a lot of people are going to be lost with that. So think about this, switching to app skills when you want Excel to do something or Copilot to do something in Excel. And the Copilot chat is more, general chat as usual, where you can analyze everything and tell him to give you back something, but not act on Excel. Hope this was insightful.